Welcome back. You know, picking a long-distance carrier can be a real nightmare, even at the best of times. But now with all these new internet services, the choices multiply and it's even more difficult.
Our next product is unique because it allows you to use a regular old phone to make calls over the web, which sounds like it would make internet telephony easier. But our testing tells the true story. This is the Internet Phone Wizard from Action Tech. It's a device that works in conjunction with an ITSP, or an Internet Telephony Service Provider, to allow you to make phone calls using a regular telephone, so you don't have to use a headset and get a microphone and speakers. It also improves the sound quality of those phone calls. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to tell you first about the setup. You're going to have to install software on your computer. After that, you got to make all the connections. This is connected to the computer via a USB port, and then you're going to make the phone connections. From the wall jack, it goes to the computer. And then from the computer, it goes right into this line modem slot. And then right next to it, you connect up your phone. Once you've done that, you can go to your computer and select one of the different ITSPs that Action Tech has partnered with. We're going to choose dialpad.com. That's selected. And now I'm going to go ahead and launch my browser. Once you know that you're online, you can just pick up the phone and it will automatically go to the site that you've selected as your ITSP. So we've got Dialpad up. Now I do have to log on, so even though you're making the phone call from the telephone, you do have to interact with your PC. Now that I have the Dialpad window brought up, I can go ahead and click in this black bar, and then I can either type in the phone number from the keyboard or I can punch it in using the phone. So I'm going to dial the TechTV main number. I'll hear an ad for Dialpad, which is very short, only about 5 seconds, and then it will go ahead and start dialing. It's now picking up, and I'm hearing the outgoing message for the TechTV main line. The quality overall is pretty good when it works. The trouble is that it's inconsistent. What it does do is that it helps with echo cancellation and it improves the quality of the sound that way. And it's convenient that you're able to use your phone as opposed to using the headset that we mentioned earlier, the speakers, the microphone, and getting that all organized. The other problem is that you're relying on your ITSP and your ISP. And then there's the problem of the speed of your connection and the latency of the call, which is the delay that you sometimes experience. The Internet Phone Wizard isn't a product that we'd recommend for beginning or novice users because of these problems that we just mentioned. We give the Action Tech Internet Phone Wizard 2 out of 5 stars. It's $100 and is available now. The Internet Phone Wizard is a good idea and a sometimes decent product. The problem is that internet telephony just didn't have the sound quality or the reliability that you get from the traditional phone. Not yet, anyway.
Yeah, it's a good example of a category that's emerging where it's really not ready for prime time yet. You kind of want to wait before you take the jump. Now, portable scanners were there a couple of years ago, but they finally made the transition to where they're really useful and usable, and, you know, I'd buy one now.
Got the bugs out.
Yeah, exactly. Now, here's a look at a new portable scanner that's got a very different twist. It scans in color. This is the Digicap 620 from ABERA, and it's the first handheld color scanner to hit the market. Now take a look at it. It really isn't pocket size. It doesn't fit in your pocket that well. But it is nice and small, and it works pretty well. Now, it's not big enough to scan a whole page. It's only about 5 inches across here. So if you want to do a whole page, you got to scan it twice and then stitch the images together in software. But what it is really good for is scanning things like this, a little image. Now the way it works is, first you turn it on, place it down at the edge, press this button here once until it beeps, and then slowly scan it along the picture. Now I say slowly because if you move it quickly, it'll make the picture all compressed. It won't come out looking very good. When I'm done, I hit the button again, and it saves it into memory. Now this will scan at 300 dots per inch or all the way down to 75 dots per inch. At 300 dots per inch, it will only save 4 full color pictures, but at lower resolutions, it'll save more, so 8 at 150, etc. Now on the side here, you can also select the type of scan, color scan, grayscale, or simple line scans, up to about 80 grayscale at 150 dot per inch mode. Transferring to the computer is equally as easy. You plug the USB cable in just like that, go into the included software, and acquire the images. Now I've got a couple images on there. You see this is the last one that we did. I can double click that, I can delete it and add it. I've actually already transferred it in, so let me exit out of here, and I want to show you that image. I'll double click. This is a 300 dot per inch image, and it looks pretty good, but as you'll see, it's a little bit darker than the standard image. So it's not perfect. It's not as good as some of the bigger flatbed scanners you can get, but overall, as a color scanner, it does do a good job, and the fact that it's portable is great. Now, HP has a competing device right here, the CapShare 910. only stores black and white images. It actually does stitch the images for you, which is nice, and it also has an LCD screen so you can see what you're doing. But it's also twice as expensive. This is a $500 scanner, and it's not color. So if you need to do color scanning on the go, this is a great choice. Right now, it's the only choice out there. And you can also, when you plug it into your computer like this, you can even use it tethered to your computer to scan things as well. We like this scanner a lot. For 250 bucks, it's a great portable scanner. It comes with 8 batteries, so you can swap the batteries in and out. Batteries last about an hour and a half. Overall, we give it 4 out of 5 stars. It's $250, and it's available now. If you're looking for a good portable scanner, the DigiCap is definitely worth checking out.
And if you're looking for more information on the DigiCap or the Internet Phone Wizard, just visit our website at freshgear.com. There you'll find complete, in-depth reviews, and just click on the products button for more information on all the products you've seen on today's show. Coming up next, IBM and Casio team up to deliver a digital camera that solves your storage woes.
And a powerful free image editor that will help you manipulate all your photos.